Hi guys, so I'm doing this video for YouTube channel.
Hey man, we just arrived. Just relax. Just relax.
Is Zion Han.
It's about to go down.
Jabulu Watlabati ngikhonze APCM. Ngadidwa-ke shet. Ngise APCM. Tsakane branch. APCM. Tsakane branch, okay?
Take it easy, dog.
Okay. I have few questions. Engizowaphendula as ngizo
2,000 years later.
yenza le interview today. It's not going to be long. Angifuni nje nami ibe yinde futhi yabo. But it's gonna be question based on izinto ezenzakala eZion yabo. Yini ngi-enjoy eZion. I'm gonna start with the first one, but before ngizoqala ngama-question, ngifuna ukusho ama-website engizongithola kona or ama-pages engizongithola kona or engizothola kona ibandla engikhonza kulona. Sikhona on Facebook and then siseza ku-TikTok. TikTok, we are using my page, so follow me. We House of Insanity, okay? Ningilandele bawethu, ningilandele lapho. Upcoming content creator esiZion, okay? Clock it. How would you describe your church in one word? My church in one word, like it's a charismatic church. Done. Charismatic church, and I'm done. They said in one word, angifuni ngekuchaza but ngiyalithanda nje ibandla lami elihloniphekile. Yabo secute nje sibandla elihloniphayo, elihloniphekile. A very charismatic. Google that. Gwabbing or singing, bakwethu. Siyakuthanda-ke ukugwaba-ke mina ngincamela ukuthi ngigwabe bacula abanye ngiyibombe. Yabo ngigwabe mina nizocula ngigwabe. Even though church ngicula isoprano but ngincamela nje ukugwaba. Okay, ngibe cute ngigwabe. Right. Which two churches would you like to hear on the same song? Bakwethu. Inyoni. Abantu bayayazi into yabo abayenzayo ne-Burning Fire. You will never go wrong. You will never ever go wrong with those two. Into engaphuma lapha kungaba umlilo, ngabhunya. Like labantu bayakwazi ukuyihlanganisa ingoma manje ihlangane kiwe emlindelweni ihlangane now bafike bayishaye futhi sizoyisebenzisa isound ye-TikTok. Facts. How about that? How about clock that? Those two churches umlilo labo bantu, inkosi labo bantu. Inkosi kakhulu bakwethu ngiyanisalute. Okay, what motivated you to start iZion content? Mina per se bengathi ngicala iZion content yabo. Bengicala nje House of Insanity because like kuyasangana nje yabo. So mungathi ubheka ama-video amphansi like from the get-go it was just us, there was no content about iZion. So lokho ngikuqale on last year. I was like, nah, I love this thing, let me do it.
Another one.
And also it has a lot of likes. Abantu bayalithanda iziyoni bafethu, bayalithanda iziyoni. So ngagqugquzelwa yilokho ke yabo, athi ithi ngiyenze lento, why not? Imnandi nje and very very interesting. Yabo mangathi uyabheka ama content creators sasizayoni, kuyahlekwa, mahlaya, yabo, craziness, lots and lots of craziness. So you want to say nje, I'm gonna be there next. I'm an upcoming. Okay? Clock that. Clock it. See, who are your top 3 Ziyun content creators? Umehlo bafethu yolwa mfana lowa i-content yakhe bakwethu imnandi. Angifuni nje ukuqamba amanga, it's nice and crazy and funny, yabo, and interesting umehlo. And then the second one, hi, it's me. I should be the first to myself, of course, but again, the second one, it's gonna be me, because nami I may content create, so why not ngingayifaki mina ekuthenini na count me in as well, okay? And then omunye engimthandayo ke uTeddy, uzibiza ngokuthi Uncle Teddy. uTeddy ngithanda content yakhe, that guy nobhuti wakhe ke yabo, i-content yabo it's very very amazing, iyancomeka nje futhi bayaphusha and baya-embrace into yasezayoni. So ngithi ngiyabathanda. So ungizwela ukuthi ngitheni, the first one umehlo, and then the second one it's me, okay, out of insanity akhohlwa ukulandela, and then the third one Uncle Ted benomfowa. Yes, let's go to the next question, okay?
Bruh.
All right, the next question is, who is that one person you would never you will never sit next to enkonzweni? I will never ever sit next to my friend, guys.
A few moments later.
It's a warning. Yo, that girl uyangiphazamisa nje.
Yo,
Uyangiphazamisa. Sengivele ngithatha ikamera ngiyithathela i-content, yabo, kuze ngisuke eduze kwakhe. Because yophuma inkonzo ngezwanga lutho. Yophuma inkonzo ngezwanga lutho. So hence I'm saying ngithi I would never sit next to that girl. Okay? Uyazi lapha ekhona. Alright. Is it true that women have a hard time with iduku bakwethu? Iduku. This thing.
yo,
Ngithanda ukuthi it's a very creative. Idinga umuntu o creative per se. Yabo, lamelu be creative la when it comes to do. It is difficult, especially for thina esiqinayo, yabo. It is a very difficult thing ihedwe. But uma u-creative uyayishala into uyibekele, and futhi uma uyifundele isikhathi eside, futhi not ukuyifundela uma ubusezayona isikhathi eside, kana ke thina mina till today angakakwazi ukuyibopha. Ngibopha umama yabona manje ave kuhlazo, but I'm gonna fix that, okay? Yes sir. So it is a difficult thingy, but yabo uma nje usuyibambile ukuthi cha siyagoqa hla uvela phuma i-art like and so it is, we are struggling as women in Zion. But sesiyafika bakwethu futhi manje sekungene ngisho u3 line nisiphethe yazi. Okay, my question, next question. What is your current favorite song and why? My favorite current song is the song yaseBelievers lebebeqeda ukuyifaka. Isihlalo sobukhosi sona singesakho. Something like that. That's my favorite song, bro. Laba bantu lapaya basebenzile bakwethu basebenzile. Clock it. Basebenzile njengoba bayemlindelweni I think owenyoni. Wow. You outdid yourselves, guys.